This is an amazing weather applications built with help of React, and what you can find here is that you can find the real time and informations about the weather. For now, the default value is of Tokyo, Japan, and it's 20 degrees Celsius with the sunrise time, sunset time. Is highest temperature today and the lowest temperature today, and the current temperature is in 1 degree Celsius, and we can convert if I hover this icon to Fahrenheit, and it gets converted into degree Fahrenheit. See, 71 degree Fahrenheit, and every values will be converted to Fahrenheit. Every value will be converted to Fahrenheit. When I click Celsius, every value will be converted to Celsius, and this is occurring here because the data are fetched from the API of openweatherAPi. When I click degree Celsius, the data related to degree Celsius will be fetched out, and when I click degree Fahrenheit, the data related to degree Fahrenheit will be fetched out. There is no conversion in between. So not only this, but also the icons and images, everything are fetched from this API's URL, and they also have the top bar sections with some real-time menus. Like if I want at the time or weather of New York, I can click New York, and let's see, Thursday 2023, and New York time is 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and if I convert to Celsius, it gets converted to Celsius is 20 degrees Celsius. And likewise, Dallas is 30 degrees Celsius, quite hot, and also you can see here it feels like 34 even though it's 30 degrees Celsius because of the humidity or some other external parameter. You feel like 34. It's very nice, and you can see also different like Seattle, San Diego, and Houston. And San Diego has different color template because if the temperature is below some margin, and the color of the user interface gets changed, and this is also one of the nice features of this app. And if it's too hot, the color will be changed to like different, like orange or red. And also I can source by location. Like if I want to have the new location, let's say I want to have the London. If I want to search the location of London and find out the current temperature, yeah, it's London 17 degrees Celsius or 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and let's say if I want to Nigeria, let's find out. It should be quite hot. Oh my god, it's 9 degrees Celsius because it's night. I think this time is like 2:38 a.m. It's night time, so it's only 9 degrees Celsius. That's equivalent to 67 degrees Fahrenheit. So California is 66 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius. Not only this, but also this one features from this was from the input section. I can even search from the location. If I click here, the browsers will ask permission for a location. Oh, not yeah. When I click here, my current locations gets out, and also my current temperature and the sunrise, sunset, and every information gets fetched out. And this is the most important, and everyone must learn this project in order to do some good stuff in React. So thank you very much.